Hello everybody! What you're going to see right now is a video demonstration of the web portal, the main way to access the huge musical heritage created by the Polifonia project that brings together several datasets in an integrated and playful experience. Here we are. As soon as users land on the home page, they are offered the possibility to understand which are the main actions that can be performed. In particular, people can explore our content, as we will see in a bit, search for what they like the most, and enjoy some of other experiences that the partners of the Polyphonia Consortium have developed. The experience starts from a first selection of highlights that we provide as an example to tell a story and that can be changed regularly. These are all data representing different concepts of our knowledge graphs that play together in a nice melody and that stay with the user throughout the journey. Once we have shown and explained a few things of how the platform works, users are free to choose how to continue. For example, users could click on one of the highlights that we have just seen or select one of the category, for example, artist, or scroll down to it. What the user finds are some relations about the artist the curators decided to be of interest. You can see the name, a column with results, and an explanation of why they came out. For example, the band Interpol is influenced by Joy Division. I can even check where information is coming from. If we expand the filters, we can better understand how the relations work. They are organized by category or relation. For example, we can discover more about results that have Joy Division as a subject. We find a resource that is the Manchester Digital Music Archive. If we want to go deeper, we can click on the button and the card will open with additional information about this archive. Of course, I can load more results if they are available. And if the user is not interested in Joy Division, she can select from all the artists available in the portal. For example, if I search for Charlie Chaplin and select it, you see that information changes accordingly. If I open its card, you can notice that it's different from the previous one. Here we have a biography coming from two different datasets. Here you can see the source, an image, related places, related people, external pages, and concerts even that can lead you to other cards. But let's go back. To recap, all these actions that I have just shown you can be carried out with all the other categories present here. That's all from me. Thank you very much for the attention and enjoy the Polifonia Web Portal.